Hey, this is Conan, CR Components. We're going to be tearing apart a shaft assembly for your Case 40XT, 60, 70, and 75XT drive motors. Main issue, leaking out of the shaft seal into your chain case. So your shaft assembly looks like this. You have a spacer in between your bearings that wears out, causes load on your shaft seal, and starts leaking. So, first thing you want to do is obviously tear your motor down, which is pretty self-explanatory. They come apart real easy. This is kind of the main hang-up. So we're just going to show with your basic tools that everybody should have around their shop. Nothing really fancy needed. So first thing is you got to torch this spacer off. You can knock it over a little bit. Switch over to your torch glasses. And we'll just zip the other side. Those come off real easy. And those cool down over there. So now what next you want to do, the trick is getting this retaining ring, this giant thick snap ring. So that's the pain in the butt right there. So we're gonna knock this bearing down. Just far enough to get a good angle with the vice grip. We're going to go down just a hair more. So we're going to take one vice grip and we're going to hold the ring so it doesn't spin. Reposition this a little bit. And then your other vice grip is going to grab on the end of it, like so. Wore out vice grips don't work very good. So this is a newer one. And then I'm gonna flex that ring out. And if you space that bearing right, you can get right under that vice grip. Pull that out. Pop the tip on up. So you can see this edge right here has just started to pull up like that. Then you can take this vice grip off. And you can coax this one, the tight one. Here it comes. Just like that. Make sure to keep your vice grip on it or else it will slingshot right into your buddy. So there's the ring that you want to, here's one we did earlier that goes with that one. So you want to just keep these because those set the preload for your new bearings. So if you're doing two motors, just keep these with the motor you took apart. So now you're ready to press the bearings off, which the inside shaft comes in handy. You just put that on. Over to your press. If you don't have a pipe the perfect size, you can get some bars in there on the edge, but this makes it a lot easier if you have a pipe that just happens to be the right size. Then you want to get this cleaned up, and we'll show you a assembly process right after this.